Goose has made a track. And what's your track do, Goose? Huh?
So my track, I made the track.
Hey, you have to speak louder. You speak real loud.
My track is my Hot Wheel track car is going to go under my dad's chair and go on the basket.
Okay, let me get down here for let me get Hot Wheel cam. First person. Oh, nice. Okay, do it again. I wasn't ready. Do it one more time. What is this called? The basket Hot Wheels cam? Oh, nice. So it goes into the basket. So did you design that track yourself?
Yep.
How long did it take you?
An hour.
It took an hour?
Yeah, it took an hour.
You gonna do it one more time?
Yes.
Okie dokie. Let's see what you got here. Drop it in the basket. Ooh, nice. All right, give me 5, dude. Excellent. You got anything to say? Say bye.